Back. This is the video number 6 of NDA and NA maths tricks and tips. So here is the question. This is a question from the September paper of 2016. Out of 15 points in a plane, n points are in the same straight line. 445 triangles can be found by joining these points. So what is the value of n? So if you want to make a triangle, we must have at least 3 points. So from 15 points, we'll be able to make the number of triangles that can be formed is 15C3. So this value will give us 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3, 5, 2, 7, 5, 7, 35, 35 and 13. This will give us the value 455. So the number of triangles that we'll be able to make from 15 points is 455. But there is a catch in this question. They're given that n points are in same straight line. So if n points are in same straight line, they'll not be contributing to the number of triangles that are formed using those points. So it is nc3. So from these points, you will not be able to make any triangle. And they are given that this value is equal to 445. So 455 minus 445 is equal to nc3. So nc3 means by 3 into 2 into 1. So 60 is equal to nc3. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. 60. So this values will give us 5 into 4 into 3. If you can substitute these values and check here, you can substitute the options and check. So 5 into 4 into 3, 5 is 20, 23 is 60. So 5 is the right answer. So in 15 points, when 5 points are on the same straight line, then we'll be able to form 445 triangles. So that's the answer, option 5. This was a question from Permutations and Combinations. Hope you like this. Subscribe to your guru for more such videos. Thank you.